How to recover TikTok account with only username. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can recover TikTok account with only username. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application, and once you're inside here, just click on this login with your email or phone number, and once you click on it, just tap on this what icon or help icon at the top right corner, which will take you to this page where you'll just have to click on recover your account, and you just have to provide your username which you have previously used, either email or your username, and just click on search. And you can also search by phone number, and if it's not searching from over here, then what you can do is just head over to any other browser and just search in for TikTok feedback, and just click on the first link, that is report a problem, and just click on the topic about your problem. So just tap on general account inquiry on the topic section, and just click on recover account under the category section, and just provide your email or username as well as additional detail if you like. And you can also attach your document where you can show the part or section where you cannot log into your account, just like that. And once you do that, you can also ensure to check this all of these statements like this, and to prove it's true, and just click on submit. And under the description section, provide your username and saying your this username or account with this particular username has been blocked and you cannot recover it. And once you provide your details just like that, just click on submit, and your TikTok team will be contacting you. You may also provide your Gmail, and under your email they will be providing you with all of the following on-screen instructions, which will help you successfully recover your TikTok account. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.